Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Automation Hub. So today we are going to talk about how to set environment variable in our system. I'm using this Windows 11, so I will show you the demo how to set environment variable for JDK in Windows 11, right? So let's start. So आपके पास क्या स्टेप है इसके? First of all, we need to download JDK. So go to the Google Chrome and when you open the Google, right, just type here download JDK, okay, and click enter. When you click enter, you will see multiple links are there, right? So we need to click on the first link. जो पहला लिंक होगा उस पे हमें क्लिक करना है. So I'm going to click on the Oracle one. This is the original the website, Oracle website. So just click on this one. So when you click on this one link, you will see यहाँ पे you will see multiple version are there. JDK version, Java version are already there. So you can see here, right? Development kit, and you will see multiple versions, right? For Mac, Windows, and Solaris and Linux. These are the operating system and the version. So you need to go to 1 second. Okay. So here you can see multiple version is there, right? So as per your requirement, you need to download JDK. मैंने अभी अपने सिस्टम में JDK 11 इंस्टॉल कर रखा है, बट इफ़ यू वांट टू डाउनलोड JDK 8, 11, 17 as per your requirement, you can download from here, from this site, right? So as per your requirement, like if you want to download for Windows, you can select this. If you want to download for Linux, you can select this, right? So in that way you can download, just download here. Okay, after that we need to like okay, because I already downloaded this JDK, so wait, I will show you in my system too. I'm not going to download this, right? So you can see here JDK 11. I already downloaded it and already installed it. So after the downloading and the installation, just go to C drive. When you go to C drive, you will see there is a program file and program files 86. Multiple folder is there, so you need to go to the program files, right? Just click on program files. You will see Java folder is there, right? So just click on Java folder. You will see here JDK 11 already added here, right? So when you open this, you will see all the binary and the library lib folder. All the folders are already added. So here we don't need to do anything. Just do. आपको क्या करना है? Simple क्या करना है? Just copy the path. When I'm going to copy this path, okay, उसके बाद जाना है आपने system environment variable open करने हैं आप. तो environment जैसे ही आप टाइप करोगे तो आपका यहाँ पे ये ऑप्शन खुल जाएगा, राइट? एक तो ये तरीका होता है कि आप यहाँ से environment variable चेंज कर सकते हो. सेकंड क्या करना है आपको, मैं कंट्रोल पैनल के थ्रू आपको करके बताती हूँ. आई एम गोइंग टू ओपन कंट्रोल पैनल. First go to control panel, then go to system and security, then go to system, right? Click on this and click on advanced system settings, right? In this link you need to click on this. So after this, sorry for that. Okay, so just click here. So you will see multiple tabs are already there, right? For the system protection, remote, advanced, hardware, computer name. So you need to click on advanced option, advanced tab. Once you will click on advanced tab, just click on the in the last option, environment variable. You can see here, right? So this one, this option you need to click on. So once you will click on this option, आपका ये window open हो जाएगा. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मेरे को अपना जावा होम सेट करना है, क्योंकि इसका इफ आई एम गोइंग टू मेक आई एम गोइंग टू यूज Eclipse and I want to do automation. So for that मल्टीपल सॉफ्टवेयर के लिए आपको जावा होम की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है, राइट? सो फॉर दिस इफ यू वांट टू ऐड यूजर वेरिएबल हियर, so you just click on new, okay, and you need to type here Java. all the letters will be in caps letter, capital letter, right? Java home. In this way, you need to type here, and from here you can see the variable value, right? So variable value will be the path. I already copied from here, right? This path जहाँ पे like JDK आपका already save है, you need to copy that path till JDK. You don't need to add any folder here. Only for till JDK we need to copy, right? So I'm going to copy this. Okay, copy किया. Okay, I'm going to here, go here. Variable value, right? So variable value में आपका path आएगा. You need to copy your path here. Once I will copy this, okay, so आपका ये path add हो गया है. Just need to click on OK. Once you will click on OK, so your Java home variable will be saved there, right, in your system. So I'm not going to click on OK because I already added Java home, right? You can see here. So I'm going to do cancel, but for your requirement, you need to click on OK, right? So I'm going to cancel this. Okay, in that way you can add Java home variable here. Okay, after that I want to set the path, system variable path. So for path, you can see here multiple option, variable name will be there, right? You can see driver data, Java home, Java Maven home, and all the path are already added. So you can see path option, right? So just double click on the path. Once you will click on path, you will see there is a multiple option like new, edit, browse, delete. These are the options. Okay, we need to do what? You can copy the path from browse option also, like open, and you just go to the path like C program files, Java, right? Java, then JDK. Then we need to select bin also for saving the path for the system variable. We include bin folder too. So I'm going to select this and OK, right? So in that way, you can see here this thing is already added, right? But I'm not going to click on OK because this will add, because I already added Java home here. So I'm going to cancel this. But for you, you just need to click here, right? One option is there, and other option is you just go to the folder and select bin also. Double click on bin and select whole path and do click on new and copy. In this way you can copy the system variable path here, right? तो अभी हमने अपना system variable add कर लिया है, but I'm not going to click on OK, but for your requirement you need to click on OK, right? Because you are going to save the system variable. But मेरे system में already save है, इसलिए I'm not going to click on OK, so I'm going to click on cancel. So in that way मैंने अभी cancel कर लिया. तो इस तरीके से हमारा सिस्टम वेरिएबल हमने सेव कर लिया अपने environment वेरिएबल में, राइट? सो after all of the step, just click on OK, right? Once you will click on OK, then आपके ये environment variable आपके उस पे set हो गए हैं, right? So अभी आपको क्या करना है, simple आपको check करना है. You want to check your Java is installed in your system or not. For checking the Java, just open command prompt cmd. When you type cmd in search bar, you can see cmd command prompt will open, right? Just click on this. Once you will click on this, window will come, right? And here you need to type, आपको यहाँ पे type करना है java space hyphen and version. Once you will type this, उसके बाद आपको simple करना है click on enter key. Once I will click on enter key, तो मेरे को ये जावा वर्जन मेरे शो हो जाएंगे क्योंकि मेरे में ऑलरेडी जावा इंस्टॉल्ड हो गया, राइट? सो यू कैन सी जावा वर्जन इज 11. ओके, रन टाइम इन्वायरमेंट 18.9, build is this. Okay, the 64-bit server, you can see all the details here, right? तो अभी आपको पता चल गया कि you have java installed in your system, right? अब जैसे मेरे को जावा कंपाइलर का वर्जन चेक करना है. इफ यू वांट टू चेक जावा कंपाइलर वर्जन, just type java c space hyphen version, like this, java c space hyphen version. In that way you can check java compiler version. What is the java compiler version in your system? So once I will click on enter, you will see Java compiler version is 11.8.18, राइट. सो गाइज इस तरीके से हम, सिंपल है कि अपने सिस्टम में सिस्टम वेरिएबल, अपने इन्वायरमेंट वेरिएबल हम अपने सिस्टम में ऐड करते हैं. अभी मैंने ये विंडो 11 पे यूज़ किया, बट सेम तरीके से आप अपने विंडो 10 और विंडो 7 ऐसे किसी भी ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम में, किसी भी वर्जन में आप ये अपने सेट कर सकते हो इन्वायरमेंट वेरिएबल. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग माय ट्यूटोरियल, एंड आई विल मेक अनदर tutorial too for related to automation, right, Selenium, and from start I will do the from beginning to the advanced level. So thank you so much guys.